YouTube! Welcome to another video of my Swiss Army knife tip and tricksery. Today I'll show you a very useful trick with the saw blade. As soon you want to drill a hole with the reamer of your Swiss Army knife, you are very limited in the diameter and in the length of your hole. How to expand the diameter of the hole I showed you already in this old video. For that you have first to make a hole with the reamer and then turn the saw blade in, and after you have a perfect 1 centimeter hole. But if you want to extend the hole in the length, for example, if you want to carve a cup, or if you want to carve a flute, or a blowing tube, or whatever, you have another option with the saw blade. How this technique works, I'll show you now. The maximum length of a hole with the saw blade is about 14 centimeters. If you can see, only with the reamer there is no chance to make a hole through. Usually, when I do this, I start on both sides with the reamer. But that I can show you how the saw blade performs, I start direct with the saw blade. The sharp edges of the tip of the saw blade allows you to drill a hole. This technique works much better in the direction of the fibers than sideways. As you can see, after about half a minute I have already 1.5 centimeter. So this is not a fast technique, but it works. Okay, after about 5 minutes I'm finished with the first side, and don't forget, this is not elderberry with a big soft mark, with a big soft center part. This is hazel, and I make this hole in the full wood. Okay, first side is done. Now I start on the second side with the reamer. okay, the hole is done. And to be honest, for sure, this is not a quick technique. I needed about 10 minutes for making this hole. But if you don't have another option, it works. If you want to learn other tricks with the Swiss Army knife, please check my playlist and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Ciao!